If you've been dealing with hair loss or thinning hair, this simple and affordable remedy might be exactly what you need. In this video, I'm going to share an easy, science-backed method that can help stop further hair loss and make your hair thicker and stronger over time. Most people think of gelatin or jelly as something used in desserts and sweet dishes, but very few realize how powerful gelatin can be for your hair. In fact, it's one of the key ingredients used in many professional hair care and repair products because of its protein content and strengthening properties. So, what is gelatin exactly? Gelatin is a natural protein made from collagen, which comes from animal bones and skin. When you mix it with warm water, it turns into a jelly-like consistency. But to be clear, this isn't the sugary flavored jelly you find in grocery stores. You'll need unflavored gelatin, the pure form that has no taste or sweetness. It's easy to find online or at most health food stores in powder or capsule form. One of the biggest reasons gelatin works so well for hair is that it's nearly 99% protein. It's made up of amino acids, the essential building blocks your body uses to make protein. These amino acids help your body repair and build tissues, including hair. Gelatin also contains short chains of amino acids known as peptides, which play a major role in promoting hair growth and improving strand structure. For centuries, gelatin has been part of our diets, but only in recent years have studies started to highlight how beneficial it can be for hair, skin, and nails. Research shows that gelatin can improve blood circulation to your scalp, helping deliver oxygen and nutrients directly to your hair follicles. One of its key components, hydroxyproline, is a peptide known to help boost hair volume and thickness, and that's why it's often found in premium hair growth supplements and shampoos. Clinical trials have shown that consistent gelatin use doesn't just improve hair growth, but also increases strand diameter, giving hair a fuller and denser appearance. Participants in these studies noticed visible changes in both the amount and quality of their hair after regular use. The research found that gelatin helped in several common types of hair loss, such as androgenetic alopecia, seborrheic alopecia, and telogen effluvium. So how does gelatin actually work? It gives your body the raw materials it needs to strengthen and rebuild hair. It helps increase blood flow to the scalp, keeps the follicles active, and supports new growth. Even if your hair loss is due to an autoimmune condition, where your immune system mistakenly targets your own hair, gelatin may still help by supporting tissue repair. It's also useful for people with genetically weaker hair or slow growth patterns. Here's how you can make a simple gelatin hair mask at home. Take about 10 to 15 grams of gelatin powder, which equals roughly 1 tablespoon, and mix it with half a cup of lukewarm water. Make sure the water isn't boiling, just warm enough to dissolve the gelatin fully. Stir until smooth and slightly thick. For extra nourishment, you can add a few drops of lavender or rosemary essential oil. These oils have antioxidant and antimicrobial properties that keep your scalp clean and healthy. Though they're optional, the real star here is the gelatin. Once your mixture is ready, apply it evenly to your entire scalp and hair. Massage gently to make sure it covers the roots well. Leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes, allowing it to form a soft, strengthening layer on your hair. Then rinse it off with cool or room temperature water. Avoid hot water since it can make your hair dry and frizzy. Always prepare a fresh batch for each use. Don't store leftovers, as gelatin hardens once it cools and loses its effectiveness. You only need to use this mask once or twice a week to see results. Over a few weeks, you'll likely notice your hair feeling stronger, smoother, and thicker. Many people who've tried this remedy report a significant reduction in hair fall and an improvement in overall hair quality. If you want to take it a step further, you can also add gelatin to your diet. Dissolve a teaspoon of unflavored gelatin into warm tea, coffee, or a smoothie once a day. It's an easy way to give your body more collagen-building amino acids from the inside out. Combined with a balanced diet that includes nutrients like zinc, iron, and biotin, this can make a real difference in your hair health. Consistency is key with natural remedies. You won't see instant results, but over time, the benefits will become noticeable. Within a month or two, you'll likely see less shedding, stronger roots, and an overall healthier scalp environment that encourages new growth. To sum it up, gelatin isn't just for desserts. It's a powerhouse source of protein that helps your hair grow thicker, stronger, and healthier. It improves scalp circulation, supports collagen production, and strengthens the hair shaft from root to tip. You can easily find unflavored gelatin online or in most stores, and with just 1 tablespoon and some warm water, you can make a potent all-natural treatment at home. Try this simple remedy for a few weeks and see how your hair responds. You can share your experience in the comments and inspire others to give it a try. I wanted to keep this video short and focused on one easy tip that actually works. Take care of your hair, stay consistent with your routine, and remember, patience brings real results. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.